hung runs, and stale locks. A Terraform run locks state before state mutation. The lock blocks other runs from writing the same state. A hung run can keep the lock after use of work stops. The next run fails because Terraform sees protected state. Remote state moves the state file outside the workstation. S3 stores the shared state object. The lock file marks an active state operation. Use lock file makes S3 reject competing state writers. A stale lock is locked data without an active run. The state may be safe while the lock still exists. Terraform cannot know intent from silence alone. Manual unlock is dangerous without process verification. On the submarine, a closed valve is not open because it looks abandoned. The watch team verifies who owns the system first. Terraform locks follow the same rule. Identify the active operator before removing the barrier. The lock ID identifies the specified block operation. A failed run prints the lock ID for recovery. Process checks prove whether Terraform still runs locally. Pipeline checks prove whether CI still owns the operation. Terraform force unlock removes the backend lock. It does not change infrastructure. It does not repair a failed apply. It only allows a future run to acquire the lock. Unlocking resource access to state. A new plan compares configuration against remote objects. Drift appears when the failed run changed infrastructure. The recovery run decides whether to keep or reverse changes.